Hi everybody. I decided to do Flipgrid for my courseware analysis. I used this for another class that I took and I really liked it. So you can download it on your tablet or your phone. And when you go in, it'll ask you for the join code. The teacher can give you this, or you can sign in with your email, and then when you click on the link, like wherever it's embedded in the course, it'll take you straight to whatever the discussion is. So for this, I signed in as a student, but I decided that I would like to try to use it myself. And so if you just go to settings and then toggle this here for educator mode and turn it on, and then when you go back out and you go back to the very top with the three dots there, you can see educator dashboard. So I'm going to click on that and it will take me to the dashboard. So if you look at the very top with the tabs at the very top. So this is the discussion. I created one for our class, and then I created another one for my sign language class that I plan to try it out in one of my classes soon. So I was kind of just playing around with it. But so you have the discussions, and then under the discovery tab, you can see they have a whole bunch of free stuff that discussions that you can get involved with. Things that are pretty timely, Black History topics since it's Black History Month, and then also just a ton of other stuff that goes on and on. So you can find a lot of possibly relevant things or just things that you're interested in that you would like to, be involved in discussions about. They have activity, that's just my activity. Mixtapes, I haven't done this, so I'm not really totally sure about how to do this. I imagine it has to do with audio type stuff, which I don't do a lot of. And then shorts, this is the Flipgrid camera, but I actually haven't used this, so I'm not sure. It says you have to use it on the computer, so I haven't used it. And then Grid Pals, I think this is kind of cool. It kind of shows you where everybody is that's using it. If you were looking to connect with people, I guess, closer by. And you can search by grade or subject or by a Grid Pal. I'm not sure if that's the individual's number or something. I haven't really checked out that much. The thing that I primarily was interested in, though, going back up to the very top, is the discussion topic. So what I did for this class was I created a group. So I clicked on the blue, create a group, and then you put your number in. You can get the join code, which you can share with your students if they don't have to have an account. And then it has different ways that they can sign up. They also have some other features, so you can have group followers, change the group status. You can personalize it by dropping in any of these images. You can see there's a whole bunch of different options based on what is relevant for you or what you like. But I actually already created a group for this class, so I'm just going to go back to that. So this is our group here. If you click on actions, you can see they have options here to edit the group, add a co-pilot, so another teacher or a teaching assistant. Share, that gives you the group code to share with and in multiple different ways. I'll try to close that. There we go. And then duplicate group, which is what I did here. I just copied the group to make the second group. But if you have a class that's going, running every semester or every other semester, you can just copy or duplicate the group and make a new class. It won't copy over everyone's responses. It just copies over the assignment. You can set up notifications, team integration. You can export the data. You can delete the group. So let's go into the group. So once you go into the group, you can see the join code is available. Here, I'll just take a screenshot right here. It's this right here is the join code, so you can share just this discussion, not the whole group, but just the discussion with somebody or many somebodies. And you can also add a co-pilot to just this discussion. And then if you go down here, you can see we have one topic. I just said say hello on Flipgrid. I made this for us, so if you want to try it out, you can feel free to use the join code and post a little hello. You can record a response, submit to discovery, so that I'm assuming or I'm guessing that makes it public. So if you don't want it to be public, I wouldn't do that. If you want to hide the topic, as if you are trying to keep students focused or people are getting confused about what they're supposed to be working on, you can always hide the topics that you're not working on. You can share it, that gives you the share code. You can move the topic to a different place or a different group. Let's see. Yeah, so you can move it to a different group. I don't actually want to do that. And then you're going to export the data. And then under here you have students. I'm the only one right now. I'm the only student. But if one of you wants to join me, you can always pop over and leave a note. And I don't want to block myself. That's the only action. Okay. So if I click on the topic, then now we see you can change this GIF here. Like they just have hola. But you can change it to whatever you want. I would probably put a GIF here just because for me it makes more sense. So yeah, so here's another, here's another join code. Let me see what happens when I click on that. Okay, no, I don't want to do that right now. Okay, so I want to, I'm gonna go back. Let's see. So, okay, so I think this join code is for our group. I see. Okay. So yeah, so that first join code is for this group. And then once I click on this, then this join code here, let me take a screenshot. This one here is for this discussion. So that makes sense. Okay. And then if you want to record a response, you just click record response. It'll ask you to go back to the app, which I will do, and I'll join as me. And I'm at ASU. And of course it wants my information, but let's do this instead. Okay. A636A. I'm never going to remember that. Okay, let me. Okay, and then if I want to record a response, I can click open in the app, and then it will open if I'm logged in, and I can just hit record and say, hi everybody, in call certificate. And then say, hi everybody. It'll show me what I in call said certificate. And then I can just say, I can mirror it if I want to, which I don't. Call certificate. I can add more if I want to. At the bottom, you see the little red camera says add more. You can rotate, which I don't need to, but I could if I needed to. And then if I'm done, I just hit the green check marks. You can add a link if you need to. You can take a selfie, which I'll do. That's a little bit better sometimes than the impromptu little thumbnail that they choose for you. Or you can upload a photo or create a name tag or select a frame from the video, however you want to do the cover. You can add a description, so sometimes I do and sometimes I don't, but usually I'll just put whatever the name of the assignment is and then hit submit. And it will say, don't leave while we're recording this. You can share it, you can save the video for yourself for later. You can save it to the cover. I usually just return to the topic and there's my video. So now if somebody else watches this, I'll just pretend like I'm somebody else. I can say, hi everybody, see that there's no comments yet, but if I want to make a comment, I just add a video comment, and it's the same process. So hi, I'm making a comment on my own video just to show you how it's done. And then I'll hit, hi, I'm making a mark, and I hit the green check mark again, and then I hit submit. I'm not gonna mess around with the selfie this time because I don't really care that much. So you'll see, right, it didn't show up right away, but it will after a minute or two. So let's go back, and then if I click on it now, there you can see, hi everybody, is my response to myself. But it gets a lot to be pretty in depth as more people comment. Hi everybody. It gets nested down. The great thing about this program is that it is actually quite quick. It reminds me of TikTok in the sense that the videos upload really quickly. They're pretty high quality. There's a lot of options, which is something that I really like. So I want to go back really quick to the dashboard here, yes, and just show you one more thing. I know I'm going long, so I'm gonna try to stop soon. But if you look under here, actually I wanna go back to discussion. And then I want to go to our group, and then I want to go to add a topic just to show you. So you can add a topic, whatever the topic might be, with a prompt. This is what I think is really exciting about this is the media options. There are so many, and I need these and I want these, and I'm so excited that they have all of these. So you can record a video, you can upload an image, you can use a GIF, emojis, Kahoot, Nearpod. There's just so much. Adobe Spark, all of these things that I love and used are integrated with this, which is so awesome. You can set custom permissions. You can do topic moderation. So this is another important thing. Like you can limit how long the videos can be. If you only want a minute and 30 seconds, you don't want them recording 25-minute videos. And then you just click create. Yeah, and so back to discussion. Anyway, so I hope that this was a good overview. I wanted to show you a little bit of everything, but not too much. Hopefully, if any of y'all have time, you can come in and join this discussion. Again, there's the join code, A636A1F5, if you're interested in checking it out. Come say hi. Thanks, guys. Bye.